Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Animals, and in this video I'm going to try and attempt to follow a Kooleen tutorial. So in this video she said that we have to screenshot this man. So that's what I did, and I just screenshot and copy pasted it into the software, and the software that I'm using is Medibank Paint Pro, which is totally free by the way. And so yeah, I have this man now, and we have to look for the color palette that Colleen uses. And I paused the video, her video, to see what is the color palette that she uses. It was kind of hard to look at because it was kind of hard to pause the video exact time where she showed the color wheel. And here I'm trying to see the type of brush that I would require. So the already default brushes that we already have in the Medibank, I downloaded a different set of brushes, but even then, I'm just trying to find out the brush that would go well with the Kooleen brush, and I just rotated the flat brush that I found that I thought would go well with the video. And yeah, I'm trying to look for the skin color. Here's the screenshot of the color wheel. You can take the screenshot. Yeah, that, and you can see the blender that I did. I actually copy pasted the drawing into the background layer, and because of that, I am unable to have a sketch on a different layer so that when I color, the sketch will go on top of that. Whatever I do, it's going sitting on top of the background layer. So here my stupid self is doing the sketch all over again, all by myself. And here again, I'm trying to have the brush again, and now I'm going to color the skin. My stupid self is going to color the skin. So here's the color. It's happening. Yay. It was the color choice was always interesting in what I found in Kooleen art style. It is something that if I sit down and paint, I will never be able to pick this color myself. I would always go for those traditional skin colors. So this is something that I needed to think out of the box, something that I would never think myself. And here I just wanted to make the eye the same way that she had. Maybe it was in the sketch list, any inking layer that her eyes were like that. And yeah, I'm attempting to make the eyeballs the way it is in her video. Yeah, it looks very crusty. Mine does not look that good. Her, I don't know how they do these things, how artist makes the art. Okay, so we are going with the shading. And as you can see, I'm attempting to shade, but I'll just say I didn't really do a really good job. And I'm also struggling to pick the color. Well, I don't know what happened. Here, I think I just lost the recording, and here we are. I'm just here at this point with where the shading is here at this stage. So I just followed the tutorial and I was able to do the bare minimum shading that you see on the screen right now. And yeah, I'm just following along with the shading. I think the eyes look good, but I don't really like the way the face turned out, and especially the lips. And obviously, we are going to make lips a little bit more juicier. And so we are going to do that, definitely. If you're following a Kooleen tutorial, that's definitely going to happen. Okay, so we are doing this neck part where she asked us to just draw lines. That was very strange for me because how am I going to blend these lines? But then I did, and it looks great. It looks great. It's going to look great, I tell you. So just follow the art god. Don't question yourself. Just follow along. That's like the what happened here? I don't know what happened there. I think I stopped had like some filter or something in the program. I don't know what happened. The next thing we are doing is I think we are doing highlights, or yeah, we are making the lips juicier. So attempting to make the lips juicier was not difficult at all. It was actually quite easy. So that's what we are going to do right now. Also going to put highlights on the nose, this tip of the nose, like ever so slightly, and yeah, and it's going to look so good. The highlights are my most favorite part of doing any sort of drawing. And by the way, I'm like a very beginner. I don't really have techniques. I just go with the flow with whatever I feel like doing. But yeah, now we are adding the color life to the lips, and after that, we will be putting on highlights. That's the highlight there. Right. Okay, so following along Kooleen tutorial was not very difficult for me. It was very easy. Her way of explaining is definitely humorous and definitely easy. But there were some places that I struggle because I am a very beginner artist, just like here. Like I don't really know how to use this lasso tool. I always see artists using this tool like it's the best tool ever, but I always struggle to use this tool. I don't know why. Let's look at that. What is that? What is that? Hmm? You will see what I mean. Like when I fill the color and everything, it's going to look so bad. Like I don't know how to use this tool. Like what is that? So bad. It looks so bad. But even then, I followed it along because we are following the art gods themselves. And I'm having to do with this fake Kooleen brush. And now that we were done with the face, that tutorial that I was following, it was only about the face, and we had to go her hair. But I was so frustrated with the brush that I had to search how can I import Clip Studio brushes into the Photoshop because I was actually using Photoshop. So Colleen did give a link of the brushes in like the Clip Studio, and then I have to search how to make brushes in Photoshop because I didn't have, Clip Studio isn't free, right? So I cannot do that. So I literally had to watch a video on how to make a brush, and then I found a video about how to make a Colleen brush. And that's just a rectangle. I felt betrayed because it was just a rectangle, and but it's such a good brush. Actually, a good brush. Okay, and yeah, I'm following the hair tutorial. I'm making blocks in the hair. That's how you should do it. Like make blocks in the hair like that. Like not blocks. Oh my god! Like just make sections of the hair. Like imagine hair in a bigger picture, not a single strand, but couple of strands bunched together, making a section. If that's makes sense. And I just copy pasted that and imported it into the file that I was working on. And then I was just making it. The lines that you're seeing is actually my sketch line. So that's what's happening. And I just ended up doing coloring the black hair. And then I'm doing that again. Doing the hair is such a hassle, I tell you. I think it's all about colors. And the purpose of me making this video, putting it on YouTube, is I know there are going to be artists like me who say we are not like beginners in doing art, but we are definitely not good at it. And we need advice and tips, like because of very basic software things, we are unable to have any sort of progress. Whenever I have a vision, but whenever I try to do something, um, I'm always stuck in the software. Like it's always the software. And it's not like I don't know the basics of the software. Whenever I try to learn the software itself, I already know the basics. But I don't know, it's very hard to explain. But watching this video, you might see what I'm doing wrong. And please let me know in the comments what I'm doing wrong, what I can do to improve. I'm definitely going to be following tutorials and share my journey with you all. And I hope if you're a new beginner artist like me, you also follow along with me. It's very hard to follow along. This following along process is very, if you're determined, only then you will be able to do that. So but I think the hair turned out good, right? But it's not. It's not. That's what I was thinking at that time. The hair turned out good, but it's not good now that I'm looking at it. So I don't know. You tell. Is it good? I don't think so. It's just, I don't know. It's just like blocks of random color. Not random color, but blocks of color. Yeah. So if you like my video, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments if you want to see me following other tutorials. Until then, bye!